Okay, condensing, opposite of expanding. We're going in the opposite direction. And if you recall, the very last thing that we did with expanding is we took the exponent and we put it out in front. Okay, so when we are condensing, well, this one doesn't have it, but the first thing we're going to do is look for numbers out in front of the log and bump them up to be exponents. Okay, this first one doesn't have any, but the next few do. So, okay, so let's look at this first one. We have a minus, and when we're subtracting logs with the same base, these parts here divide. So we have log base 5 of 8 divided by 12. Not log base 5 of 8 divided by log base 5 of 12. Okay, that is not what we're doing. Okay, we're condensing. We've got 2 logs, we're condensing down to 1 log. Now it does say to simplify 8/12, if I divide both the numerator and the denominator by 4, then I get 2/3. So this is log base 5 of 2/3. Okay, over here, like I said, we're going to take these numbers that are out front and we're going to bump them up first. Okay, so this is a 3, so we have log base 4, 2 to the 3rd, plus 5, oops, boy, I did it again, didn't I? Okay, log base 4, x to the 5th, plus log base 4, y to the 3rd. Okay, so I bumped all of these up and made them exponents. Okay, like this. Okay, so now all of these things are being multiplied because I see that the plus here. And I'm condensing down to 1 log, so log base 4, 2 to the 3rd is 8. Okay, this is x to the 5th and y to the 4th. And that is our answer. All right, number 9. This first one, it's just what it is, but this one I can bump. So I have log base 3 of 2 plus log base 3 of y to the 1/2. Okay, and you could, one more step, sorry. Condensing log 2 to the y times y to the 1/2. You could leave it like that. I wouldn't take points off. I would prefer it if you changed this to a radical. Okay, remember anything to the 1/2 power is the square root. So I would prefer it like this, but you don't have to. Okay, number 10. We're going to do what's inside the parentheses first. Now, you could distribute this 3. You could do that too, and then you'd end up bumping that 3 up as an exponent to both of them. That exponent is going to go to both of these anyway. But let's do this in the parentheses first. So we've got 3 times the natural log of 3 divided by x plus the natural log of x divided by 9. Now, why did I put parentheses here and not here? I probably don't need the parentheses. I do have this 3 out front that's going to get bumped. And that's why I instinctively did that, but you probably don't really need these parentheses here. Okay, so this 3 is going to go here, so I have the natural log of 3 over x to the 3rd, and then this stays the same. Now the parentheses here are important because I'm showing that I am cubing this whole thing. If I didn't have the parentheses, it would look like I was just cubing the 3. All right, so now I'm going to simplify this, so I have the natural log of 27 over x cubed plus the natural log of x over 9. This is a plus, so I'm going to multiply them. So the natural log of 27x over 9x cubed. Again, you probably don't need the parentheses, but I really like parentheses. They make me feel more secure. I don't know why. Okay, 27 divided by 9 is 3 over 1, so 3 is going to go in the numerator. And then x divided by x to the third, we've got 1x here, 3 down here. We cross out one of those x's, and we get x squared. Okay, or you could write, like I said, natural log 3 over x squared. All right. Number 11. I like this problem because people will look at this and go, oh, you know, log 10 is log base 10 of 10. This is just 1. And then 1 times 2 is 2, and then I can do that. Well, the reason that we don't do that now is because when we're condensing, we're trying to get it down to as few terms as we can. And if I leave this as a 2, it'll be a plus 2, and I'll still have 2 terms. So we're trying to condense down as much as we can into as few terms as possible. So let's bump these. So log base 10, well, I don't know why I said that, log x of 10, log x to the 10th power, plus log 10 squared. Again, log 10 squared is 2, but I need to condense. So now I have, since this is being added, I multiply. So log x to the 10th times 10 squared, or in a better order here, we have log 100x to the 10th. And that's the answer. Okay, I'm running out of time. Let's go to number 12 in the next video.